call is being
Good
recorded.
afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. How are you all?
Fine,
Are you
ma'am.
all doing good?
Yes, ma'am.
Good afternoon,
Very
ma'am.
good. Very good. So, yesterday, did you all enjoy the slime making activity?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Vedant, have you seen the video yesterday?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have any kind of doubt, you can call me personally.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So,
After the class, I'm doing that only, ma'am.
what happened, Vedant?
After the class, I'm doing that only, ma'am.
Yes, okay, very good. So today is our reading tree activity. Today, just a second, give me a minute. Yes, today is our reading tree activity. So, do you all know what is the meaning of a reading tree? Do you all know? Have you ever seen a reading tree?
No, ma'am.
No, like, right? So, today we will be doing the activity reading tree. Basically, this is a habit which I want you all to inculcate in your day-to-day life. I want you all to read books. I want you all to read books. Which books? It can be story books, it can be your textbooks, it can be any mythological books, any damn language story books, anything, but you have to read. And basically, if you can read newspaper, that is the best thing ever in life. If at this age of yours you are starting reading newspaper, I am not saying you to read entire paper, just a paragraph, just a paragraph. So see, we are going to disperse within 5 days, right? Huh? But I want you all, today we will be doing the activity. You all have to take 15 days for that activity. And on the 15th day, you all are going to send me the pictures of what we are going to do today. Okay, everyone? Okay? Yes, very
Okay.
good. So, all of you, be
Ma'am.
ready with your material. Be ready with your material. I am placing my mobile so that you will be able to see that what we want to do for today. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Give me a
ma'am.
minute. Yeah. All of you ready with your material? Can anyone just say what material I told you all?
Ma'am, you told green and brown paper, Fevicol and A4 sheet, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, your
Yes.
voice is low.
Now,
Now I also low.
are now it is also low.
Now it is little bit clear.
Okay. See now. basically what we mean by reading tree. We are going to draw a tree like this. We are going to draw a tree like this. Now, you might be wondering that this is a very simple activity, right? This is a very simple activity, right? But one part is very important in this activity, which is ये जो leaves है ना, ये leaves में हमें आपको मैंने 15 days दिए हैं, तो in 15 days time ये जो leaves है वो आपने जो पढ़ा वो बुक के नाम से भर जानी चाहिए. Okay? Okay? Everyone? Now, with the help of a brown paper, I will show you how to make the tree. I will show you how to make the tree. You have to take your, everyone is having brown paper? Is brown paper there with everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, first, I am doing on the white paper and showing it to you. You have to directly draw on the white paper, on the brown paper and cut it. Okay? See. ये ब्राउन पेपर पे आपको ऐसा ब्रांच बनाना है, ऐसा ट्रंक बनाना है बड़ा. ओके, देन you can draw a puddle. Now, here, are you all able to see? Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
now here, in this part, ऊपर, you have to draw the branches like this. Draw it like this, okay, and cut the brown paper in this shape. Draw it and cut the brown paper in this shape. पवित्र बच्चा आप बनाओ. Try making बच्चा. या तो मम्मा का हाथ पकड़ लो तो आपको आइडिया आएगा. And cut this, huh? On the brown paper, you have to draw this.
Ma'am,
and cut it.
wait. Ma'am,
हाँ,
wait.
बच्चा. Wait, I was giving you the same instruction. What happened? You didn't understood? What happened, Pavit? Pavit, any doubt, bacha?
No, ma'am. I am cutting slow. That's why.
I am waiting. Don't worry. श्रद्धा तिब्रेवाल के नाम से कौन है? नेहा गुप्ता, संतोष पाटिल, आर्यन तेजस.
Yes, ma'am.
Kindly switch on your camera, everyone. Why your cameras are off?
Sorry,
Neha
ma'am.
Gupta,
Ma'am, my camera is not working.
okay. Shraddha Kebriwal, Shraddha Kebriwal, are you here? You have to draw the tree on the brown paper like this and cut it in the shape which you have drawn. Okay? In the shape which you have drawn, you have to cut it. Vedant, why are you drawing in the white paper? You don't
What,
have
ma'am?
brown paper.
What, ma'am?
Why are you drawing in the white paper? You don't have brown paper.
No, ma'am. White paper.
That's what I am saying. You don't have brown paper.
What, ma'am? I can't hear you
आपके
clearly.
पास ब्राउन पेपर नहीं है क्या?
Hey, ma'am.
हाँ, तो मैंने आप व्हाइट पेपर पे क्यों बना रहे हो? मैंने आप लोगों को ये ब्राउन पेपर पे ही बनाने बोला है.
Ma'am, आप करा ना, ma'am.
हाँ,
Ma'am, you done now, ma'am?
I have done in white paper. I told you I am doing in white paper. I am not having brown paper as of now. So I have did in the white paper. You have to cut it into the brown paper. जो अपने brown paper पे ये बनाना है और you have to cut it in the shape you have drawn.
Yes, ma'am.
Pavit, show me if you are done.
1 second. It is. I am doing 1 second.
Yes. Avyan Saraf, show me. Aryan Tejas.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I
Show
don't
me.
have brown paper. Showing, ma'am. I'm flowing cutting, ma'am.
Who is saying that he is not having brown paper?
Mango.
Avyan, if you are not having brown paper, don't worry. Draw it on the white paper and color it brown. You don't need to cut it then.
Okay.
Yes. Draw it in the white paper and color it brown. You don't need to cut it. If you don't have a brown paper, you have to draw it on the white paper and color it brown.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Avyan. Neha Gupta. Who is there in the name of Neha Gupta?
Yes, ma'am.
Your Your name?
Ma'am, Mathili.
Metali, are you done?
Ma'am, I have not brown paper.
Then draw it in the white paper and color it brown.
Okay,
Why are
ma'am.
you not coming up with the doubts? If you don't have anything, you should say it to me.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have done. Pavit
So,
Baharia.
yes, very good, Pavit. Yes, very good. Wait, kindly wait. Let all of you be together.
Ma'am, this is correct.
ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕುಂತಿ ನೋಡು ಆ ಕಡೆ ಬೆಳತಾ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕತ್ತಲು
So,
ಏನಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಲಕ್ಕ ಮಾಡಿ
Ma'am,
yes, it is correct.
ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕುಂದ್ರಲೇ
ನೋಡಲಿ. Ma'am, this is okay. Mummy, ನಂದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು.
ಇರ್ಲೇಮ್ಮ ಅವ್ನಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬೇಕೇ ನಿನಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಕೊತ್ ಕೂಡ್ಲೆ
Ma'am, this is okay.
ಜೋರ್ ಕೇಳೋ ದನಿ ಬರ್ತದಿಲ್ಲ
ನಂದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದೇ.
Aryan, it is okay. I told it to you. It is okay. Yes, Aryan.
Thank you, ma'am.
Samruddhi and her sister done.
Ma'am, I'm cutting my paper.
What about your sister?
Ma'am,
Yes, Vedant. Very neatly drawn. Color it brown. Color it brown.
ma'am, in brown paper I
Draw
done.
in the brown paper only. Na? Yes, cut it, cut it.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, correct, ma'am.
Ma'am, next what it
It is
is?
correct, ma'am.
Yes, it is correct, Vedant. Pavit, just wait. Let all of you finish. Samruddhi, what about your sister? Very good, very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Aryan and Samruddhi, are you both relatives? Aryan and Samruddhi, are you both relatives?
Ma'am, my half is cutted. Wait, ma'am.
Huh?
I have cutted half, ma'am. Wait.
I am asking, is Aryan your brother?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now everyone, you will take out your green paper. Green paper.
Ma'am, you are not audible. Your voice is low.
Hello.
Now it is perfect.
Okay. Take out your green paper. Okay. I am having these small sheets, so I am using that only. Okay. I will show you how to make a leaf and then how to cut it. अच्छा, जिसने भी ब्राउन पेपर से कट कर लिया है वो लोग एक व्हाइट पेपर पे चिपका दो वो. Stick that brown part to the white paper. Pavit, Vedant, Samruddhi. Stick that brown part to the white paper. Plain paper.
Okay, ma'am.
Aryan,
Okay,
you also. Yes. Everyone will stick first the brown part so that it will get dry.
Ma'am, but I drawed this one.
कोई बात नहीं ना, उसके ऊपर चिपका दो.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I am having this dark green color, ma'am. I'm not having light green.
will do. No issues. If you are having dark green, light green, जो भी green है बस green चाहिए.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Yes, Pavit, very good. ये आज का एक्टिविटी करके सब लोग एक कोने में रख नहीं देना. हाँ, सच में रोज बुक पढ़नी है हाँ, आप लोगों को. समझा क्या वेदांत, पवित्र, अभिलाष?
What, ma'am?
मैंने बोला आज का एक्टिविटी करके ये पेपर रख मत देना. सच में बुक पढ़नी है. एक एक स्टोरी रोज का पढ़ना है.
I can't hear you.
Ma'am, no reading.
What?
I love reading.
Very good.
Ma'am, what you told, ma'am?
See, you didn't hear the start when we started.
Can you tell loudly, ma'am?
Now are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I told ये आज का जो हम एक्टिविटी करेंगे ना, ये कहीं पे भी साइड में मत छोड़ देना. यू हैव टू रीड अ बुक एवरी डे. अभी जो हम लोग लीव्स बनाएंगे ना, जो
Yes,
भी
ma'am.
लीव्स हम लोग बनाएंगे ना, उसमें आपको वो बुक का नाम लिखना है. Till 15 days we have to follow. Means we have to draw. We have to make 15 leaves today. हाँ, और वो चिपकाना है अपने ट्री पे. Till 15 days we have to follow. And I know we will be dispersing in the next 5 days. But you all are having my personal number, so you all can send me the image of the same. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
We should write this. We should write book names on this one.
Yes, Aryan, it is correct.
Thank you, ma'am.
What we done?
We should write book name on this, ma'am.
The story which you read, that story's name.
Which story I read, that story. With which stories I have read, that stories we should write on this one.
हाँ, but आज से रीड करना चालू करना है till the next 15 days.
सतड़ी
ऐसा
मारा
नहीं है कि पहले आपने रीड कर लिया है और अभी आप नाम लिख रहे हो. आज से you have to start reading for the next 15 days.
Yes, ma'am. And that 15 days, that which books, which stories I read, that we should write on this.
हाँ, the name you have to write on this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, everyone, we will start making a leaf. Okay, with your
Ma'am,
leaf
can you see
paper.
my what have green color paper?
Yes, it is okay, Samruddhi. Your sister.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I not have green paper.
Then take a white paper and color it green.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. See, पहले एक ऐसा कर्व बनाना है. Then एक ऐसा कर्व बनाना है. Okay? Again, we have to draw this. We have to make 15 leaves like this. See, like this. थोड़ा
Ma'am.
ब्रॉड रखना क्योंकि आपको लिखना है ना, तो थोड़ा ब्रॉड रखना ये पार्ट. What happened? कौन मैम कर रहा था?
Ma'am, my sister, ma'am.
हाँ. Yes,
See, ma'am.
very good. Yes, very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, that you show that first that you done, no, ma'am. First that in that small stick was there, ma'am.
हाँ, लेकिन अभी हम नहीं करेंगे वो स्टिक वाला.
Okay.
Ma'am, this is okay.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
थोड़ा ये पार्ट ब्रॉड रखना क्योंकि आप लोगों को स्टोरी बुक या स्टोरी का नाम लिखना है. Okay, see like this.
Ma'am, this is okay.
हाँ, yes, I told you बच्चा.
ग्रीन कलर करो.
वो आपको ग्रीन कलर करना है बेटा क्योंकि आपके पास नहीं है ना ग्रीन कलर. Okay, make 15 leaves like this. Make like this type of 15 leaves. Okay, this type of 15 leaves. Everyone to make this type of 15 leaves. Everyone to make 15 leaves. Has everyone written their names in the chat box?
Yes, miss.
मैम मैम ये वाइट शीट में मैम इधर ये वाइट शीट में तो मैं बड़ा कर रहा था मैं इधर तो छोटा है
क्या हुआ?
इन दिस वाइट
पेपर
शीट
टर्न करके कर लो बेटा. Turn your paper and do.
लाइक दिस नो
हाँ 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 हाँ. Everyone done cutting?
No, ma'am.
English ida.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes, Samir.
ma'am, this is leaf, okay? Ma'am, this is leaf, okay?
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. मैम ये देखो मेरा लीव्स.
यस यस. बीच का ये वाला पोर्शन थोड़ा बड़ा रखना. आप लोगों को यहीं लिखना है.
Yes, ma'am.
व्हाट मैम?
आप लोगों को यही लिखना है. तो ये पोर्शन थोड़ा ब्रॉड होना चाहिए.
ओके मैम.
Everyone done cutting 15 leaves?
No, ma'am.
Do it.
Done ma'am.
Done, Vedant. Aryan done.
Oh
Samruddhi.
No, ma'am.
Kavit.
Done, ma'am.
ma'am, you can continue, ma'am. Don't wait for me.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Continue.
What happened?
Ma'am, you can continue, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes.
सबका?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
And
now,
afterwards, ma'am.
after cutting these leaves, आपको इसको देखो चिपकाना कैसे है। ये जो एज पार्ट है ना, सिर्फ इसी पे अपना ग्लू स्टिक लगाना है। ओके, ये जो एज पार्ट है ना, उसी पे लगाना है एंड स्टिक इट ब्रांचेस की यहाँ पे स्टिक इट। ओके,
Ma'am, how many leaves will you do, ma'am?
ये जो एज पार्ट है ना, ये एज पार्ट पे ही लगाना है ग्लू स्टिक। सिर्फ ये एज पार्ट पे ही ग्लू स्टिक लगाना है and you have to stick it like this on the branches.
Ma'am, this edge is ulta.
Ma'am, I have done 14 leaves, ma'am. How much you
15,
told, ma'am?
15.
15, ma'am.
Okay?
15, ma'am.
हाँ हाँ, stick like this on the edges of the branches. और फेविकॉल भी या ग्लू स्टिक भी आपको ऐसा एज पे ही चिपकाना है। सी आपका लीव ऐसा होना चाहिए। ओके, सो इट विल गिव अ लुक लाइक दिस। अभी इसमें मैंने ये डंडी बनवाया था, लेकिन आप लोगों से नहीं बनवाया है। ओके, इट विल गिव अ लुक लाइक दिस। ओके, बट ये डंडा खाली हमने नहीं बनाया है, हमने ये पार्ट नहीं बनाया है आगे का। ओके, हमारा लीफ ऐसा है सिर्फ। ओके, स्टिक दैट लीव्स लाइक दिस।
मैम, आपने लीव्स कहाँ कहाँ पे चिपकाए है?
ऐसे चिपकाना है बेटा। एक मिनट। यस, ऐसे चिपकाना।
Ma'am, is it okay?
Yes, very good, Pavit. Very good. It is absolutely okay, Pavit. पवित, अभी रोज एक एक बुक पढ़ना या एक एक स्टोरी पढ़ना।
Ma'am, we have to write reading tree.
Yes, at the side you have to write reading tree.
Okay, ma'am.
Show me, Pavel.
Done, ma'am.
So, have you written?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Aryan, are you done? Samruddhi,
No, ma'am.
Vedant.
No, ma'am. I'm teaching. Ma'am, my tree is ready.
Very good, Samruddhi. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. What about your sister?
She's pasting the last leaf.
Okay.
Ma'am, check hers.
Very
Ma'am,
good. Very good.
thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. So this was our reading tree activity. Okay, all of you have to read books. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. I'll send you my photo in the group.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I leave?
Yes, you can leave if you have done. Bye.
Bye. You put your bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Okay, Vedant and Aryan, are you done?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. 5 minutes.
Ma'am, you made sticks, no, ma'am?
The group.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Huh?
You made sticks, no, ma'am?
What?
You made the sticks, no, ma'am? Stick.
No, Bacha, I have not made the sticks. These are the ones which we have done now. This is my earlier. I am showing you how it will look.
You can show back, ma'am. That back one. You paste like that, ma'am. Two, ma'am.
Yeah, you can paste 3, 4 also as per your wish. Okay? So
Yes,
you
ma'am.
both of you kindly send your pictures in the group, okay?
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, I will see you
Bye.
later. Slime, ma'am.
Ma'am, I sent my photo.
Yes. Okay.
Bye.
Yes.
Ma'am, I will
Bye.
try now that slime, ma'am. After doing
What do you
this.
want to do?
Slime, ma'am. I
You
will
have
try after this, ma'am.
you have done?
No, ma'am. I'm going to try now, ma'am.
Try
After
it at
going
home.
out.
If any difficulty is there, you
What,
can
ma'am?
call. Try it at home. If any difficulty is there, you can call.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.